What comes to mind if we talk about animal models in biomedical research? You might think of mice, rats, or maybe rabbits. But what about the zebrafish? Zebrafish is a tiny little bony fish that has been widely used in recent years by scientists in the biomedical field. Indeed, it boasts several advantages compared to the classical animal models, such as the small size and the high fecundity. To give you an idea, just know that a single female zebrafish can carry more than 200 eggs. These qualities allow us to study hundreds of fish that can be used to evaluate the effects of several compounds in several zebrafish tissues, such as bone. In particular, during my PhD, I evaluated the effect of a combined pharmacological treatment designed for a rare bone disease that is called osteogenesis imperfecta, and which affects 1 to 15,000 people. And for this purpose, I exploited zebrafish advantages. And now some of you may wonder how the skeleton of a 20-millimeter fish can be compared to the human skeleton. Well, zebrafish shares a lot of features with other mammals' bone tissues, such as the bone ossification processes, so how the bone is built, and the bone cells, which have been conserved through evolution. In particular, we can evaluate the effect of several compounds on zebrafish osteoblasts and osteocytes, which are the bricks of bone tissue, and on osteoclasts, which are the cells responsible for bone remodeling. But if you're still not convinced, think about the vertebral column and the forces acting on it. Gravity acts on biped vertebrae by pressing them, while in animals such as mice, the load is dispersed through their forelegs. In zebrafish, the forces generated through swimming are comparable to the gravitational load acting on human spine, making this tiny little guy a suitable model to study skeletal diseases and the effects of new compounds on its vertebrae. Taking advantage of these features, we could evaluate the effect of several drugs on zebrafish resembling the osteogenesis imperfecta phenotype. And among all the drugs, we evaluate the effect of a combined treatment which increased the bone quality of zebrafish vertebrae by increasing the bone cells homeostasis. These results not only are promising for the treatment of osteogenesis imperfecta, but they also underlie the importance of zebrafish as an animal in biomedical research. So, I hope I convinced you. Take a walk on the zebrafish side.